Yes, guys, our matooke is ready. As you can see, our groundnuts, they are now boiling. Ta-da! Guys, our matooke and our nuts, they are so ready. Happy holiday, guys. Welcome back to the Maweja family. Today it's your chef Precious. I have come to show you the easiest way of how to make Ugandan matooke with nuts. Remember, I'm from Zimbabwe. Our staple food is sadza, but since it's holidays, I've decided to treat my family with a nice Ugandan meal, that is our matooke and also groundnuts. So guys, I'm going to take you through the entire process. You know what, I wish you were here, guys, to smell that nice aroma from groundnuts. It's so amazing. But don't worry, I'm going to take you through the whole process and I'll also serve you the food. So we are going to start right now. So guys, let me do a rundown of the ingredients that we are going to use to prepare our delicious Ugandan matooke and our groundnuts. So you need matooke itself. These are our matookes. As you can see, they are green, but just know that they are ripened already. So we are going to peel this matooke. I'm going to show you as I'm peeling some of them. We are going to peel them and they'll be ready. So we need this matooke. We also need a pot, this bigger one that is under here, and our water. Only that, it will be ready. So make sure you don't go and also buy green bananas, just green bananas to make your own matooke. It has to be plantain. There are specific bananas for that. As you can see, this is our plantain. Now, for our groundnuts, the sauce now that you're going to serve with, we need a few things. Remember, I'm showing you the easiest way. We need tomato. You only need one tomato here. We also need one onion. As you see, this is our nuts. It may seem small, but you're going to see how it will look when you finally served it. This is our nuts, and these are some of the spices I'm going to use, and our salt in the pot and water. Just as simple as that, we are going to serve one of the delicious meals ever. So let's start the preparation. We are going to start by cooking matooke. I'll take you through the process, guys. Let's go. Yes, guys, so right now we're about to peel our bananas, our matooke or plantain. So you wash them first. After washing, you make sure they are clean. You cut the top and the bottom. Then you start peeling. So you make sure you have to peel them so well until they are fully done. So here I'm peeling my matooke. I'll show you guys the final product when it's finally done, such that we start the cooking process. Yes, guys, so our matooke is ready. As you can see, they are ready. So we just need to wash them, put in the pot, pour the desired amount of water, then we start cooking them. So I'm just going to wash them roughly. Let me pour this water and I wash them quickly such that we cook them. I know, guys, you're going to enjoy this. Matooke is one of the best, by the way. I'm just going to wash them a bit. They are not that much dirty, but we just wash a bit. And we load them on our what? On our pot. Yes, guys, so our matooke is already on the gas. So as you saw, I put water. So how to cook matooke? You make sure you steam them. They boil until they are done. How do you know that they are done? You can actually see the change of color. They can change it to yellow somehow. And you can actually taste with a spoon that they are now okay. Then after that, we will mash them into matooke. I'm not doing it the village way. The village way, you can actually use banana leaves, but I'm going to do it the normal way of making it. So we are going to leave it for now, such that our matooke boils. We come back when they are ready. For now, let's go and see how to make the nuts and prepare them to be cooked. Yes, guys, so as we are waiting for our matooke to steam and get ready, I'm going to tell you how I'm going to make the groundnuts, the sauce now to eat with the matooke. I'm not saying this is how they make it, but I still make it my own way and it tastes the same. So what you need is simple. Remember, I told you we need one tomato and one onion. So I'm going to cut these tomatoes. Soon after cutting, I add water. Here it's boiled water already. I already boiled my water. I use boiled water. You can use cold if you want, but hot is better and faster. So I'm going to add water around here because you need to add water that goes on with the sauce you have. So I'm going to add the water just around here. After putting my water, I pour my tomatoes and my onions in that water. Then I boil them a bit. Soon after boiling them, I'm going to take these nuts. Then I'm going to cut them a little. Since they are a bit liquid, not that much liquid, I'm going to cut bits of them. Then put in the what? In the water with the tomatoes and the onions. Then I'll reduce the heat. You have to make sure you reduce your heat to low heat. Then you leave them, to boil a bit. Soon after that, you're going to stir a bit. And I tell you, it's going to be so perfect. So I'm going to show you when they are ready. So right now, I'm going to cut the tomatoes. Then we boil a bit, we add our nuts, and I'll show you when our nuts are ready. So guys, our tomatoes and water and onions have boiled, and our spices we put have boiled. Now we are about to add our nuts. So guys, now we are adding our nuts. So what you need to add your nuts with, you make sure you add them in piece. So that's why you see I have a fork. So you just cut and you start putting them, and soon after putting we have to reduce our heat, guys. They have to cook themselves. You cut like this, you see. You add them by cutting. This is how I make it. I'm not saying everyone makes it like this, but this is how I make it. How I make my groundnut sauce. So you add all of it. You don't want to waste any. Yeah. Okay. Now we have added all of them. Now we have to reduce the heat. We are going to cook them at low heat, very low heat, because if you cook them with a lot of heat, they are going to get burnt. Yes guys, we have added our nuts in our tomatoes and what. So we are going to leave them to boil at a low heat, because higher heat it always burns. So I've learned that I just have to reduce my heat. So we are going to leave them to boil for some minutes, like 30 minutes, then I will show you when they are ready. Yes guys, our matooke is ready. As you can see, it turned the color. As I told you, we started when they were white because we were using green bananas, you see. So right now they are ready. And another thing that can show you that they are ready, if you put your stick here and you just do this, you see they are now ready. So right now I'm going to show you mashing them. Then after that we save our meal. After saving our meal, we test and sample our matooke and groundnuts. Yes guys, so we are going to mash our matooke now. I use this stick. So we are going to mash them until they are so smooth. They are so smooth. It doesn't take me time, by the way, to mash this matooke. You mash them until all of them, when they are fully cooked, they are not that much hard to mash. As you can see, this is what I'm doing now. They are almost done, as you can see. We want to mash them until they are so fully mashed. You see? You mash them when they are so perfectly meshed. Ta-da! They are done now. We are about to serve the matooke and the nuts. I'll finally show you the final product in the plate. Yes guys, so our ground nuts, they are now boiling. As you see, I left them to boil for a bit, but I'm stirring a bit. So there are many different ways of making them. Some people they make them in a thick way, some make them in a bit of watery way. I'm sure mine are a bit watery today. So this is how they look like. So our sauce is getting ready, guys. If you could smell the aroma I'm smelling right now, it's perfect. So I'm going to show you finally when they are served, and also I'll show you matooke, how they are. Ta-da, guys! Our matooke and our nuts, they are so ready. I can't wait to test this nuts and matooke. This is the best meal ever, guys. You can even see how appetizing they are looking. So we are going to sample this together. Yes guys, let's sample our meal. I wish you were here to taste this. Let's sample. This is our matooke. Then you do like this. Guys, I wish you were here to test this. This is so amazing, guys. This is the best ground nuts ever. So guys, here is our meal. It's ready to eat. So guys, make sure if you are new here, you subscribe to our channel, because we have great and amazing video coming. So make sure you subscribe, you like this video, and you also turn your notifications on such that you are notified whenever we post. I love you guys. See you in our next lit video. Mwah.